Hello everyone, I am a learner of maths and this video is purely based on my practice, and differential equation is our first chapter, or this is my first practice video on this chapter. So basically, what is DE? Differential equation. So here differential equation is an equation which involves differentiation. There should always be a differentiation part, and it should be independent. Independent means divided by dx. It should be free to be expressed in a form of a polynomial. Differential equation is of two types: ordinary and partial. And here the example for this is that in partial it depends on more than one variable, that is x, y and z. Here it is in three form we can differentiate it, whereas in ordinary it is only differentiable with respect to the x. So it is an ordinary differential equation, and in class 12 we have to read only the ordinary differential equation. As we have seen that as a polynomial is in the form of this, so a differentiable equation should be in the form of a to the power repetitive, and where m and n should belongs to a natural number. M and n should be a natural number only. Now, as we have defined differential equation, ordinary form and partial form, now we are going to discuss the most important thing of it is its degree and order. What is degree of equation and what is its order? Now suppose we are going to write one. Now we will write one equation. Now here's our equation. Now we see that first comes the order. Now what is the order of this equation? We are going to discuss. Then order, here we see that highest is 2, now it's 1, it's 3, then 2. So here order, we are not going to consider x or y. There is no use of this term, so we are considering this as the main term, differential equation. So its order we are mentioning here. Now what is the order? Means the highest differentiable form, means one time you differentiate it, two time you differentiate, three time, four time, and the maximum time you differentiate, that will be considered as your order. So here one time it is differentiated and here it is two times differentiated, so order is 2. Its order will be 2. Now what is the degree of it? Degree and order are related terms. Now order means this is the highest differentiable form, means this is differentiated 2 times, so with respect to that only we are going to find out degree. If here it is what is the power, exponential function, here it is 1, so degree, its degree will be 1 here. Now order can be defined for every equation of the differential form, but degree is defined only when it is in a polynomial differential equation form. Means if its power will be rather than natural number any other thing, or this divided by dx is not in a free form, means here not in a free form means always it is not given in free form. Suppose we do some manipulation, we try to change it, and if we get in the free form, then it's its degree will exist, otherwise its degree will not exist. And for degree and order, we are concerned with the differential equation only and not with the x cube or y square. We don't have to bother about this too. Now we will do some more examples to understand it more clearly. So here we have two examples. Now we are going to discuss this two example, its order and its degree. So what is the order of this equation and this? Here we see that as we have said, we can define the order. So here it is differentiated it is differentiated 3 times. so its order will be 3. Now its order is 3, but what will be its degree? So first we have to see that this is in the form of a polynomial, or it can be expressible in the form of polynomial. But here as we see that it is e to the power this. Now can we express in the free form? So we can at least try to do so. Now just take the anti-log, means log, we can take to remove this e. It is like this. Now it is free, but here it is not free. If we free this, then this will be not free, and if we free this, then this will not be free, this equational d square part. So it cannot be expressed in free form. So here degree we will write not defined, its degree will be not defined. And here now our next example, this here as we see it is into, so it is in free form, it is into free form, no need to take any log or solve this way. So here its order, as we can see that it will be 2. Now what will be its degree? What will be its degree? Think for 1 minute. Many, have you thought that a degree might be 5? No. So here, as I have told earlier, that we are not concerned with the highest power. Here what is the order? Order is so order is 3 times it is differentiated, so its order will be 3. And what is the high, this is the highest order, and what will be its power? That will be called degree. So here degree will be 2, and if you write degree 5, then it is wrong, because as I said, order and degree are related terms. So these are the two examples of order and degree. You can solve questions from anywhere, and any question which you think that you are confused for order and degree, you can write and comment, and I will also try to solve it if I can, then, but I will try my best to solve the order and degree question. Now this is different in this differential equation. This is for order and degree. We have did something. So basically you might be thinking what differential equation. Now after solving the order and degree question completely practice well, then we will see how to form a differential equation, how to get a solution of it, how to solve it, and that's only in this chapter. And this might be enough for you. And degree and order you can solve or practice questions, means up to give 1 hour and practice good question for the order and degree.